Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorting. Next, position the phone on an anti-static mat and use a suction cup plus a plastic spudger to lift the rear edge slowly. Apply steady, even force. Once the gap appears, slide the spudger around the perimeter to release clips. Make sure to keep screws organized as you expose internals, because missing one can shift alignment later and cause loosened fit. You now inspect for loose screws and misaligned bracket tabs. Use the correct Phillips #00 to gently snug screws, not over-torque them, because stripped threads cause recurring looseness. Once done, check adhesive channels and replace torn adhesive strips with pre-cut replacements. Press firmly to bond. Make sure the battery sits flush and that antenna cables and clips align. When components seat correctly, the cover will sit evenly and avoid gaps or pressure points that create future rattle. You finish by aligning the cover starting at one edge, then press evenly along the seam to engage clips. Use small clamps or a weighted block for 10 to 15 minutes to set new adhesive. Once reassembled, test all functions: buttons, camera alignment, wireless charging. Make sure no pressures impede performance. If a gap or movement remains, check for a warped frame or a missing spacer. Replace the spacer or gently heat and reshape the frame. Because structural issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.